DNotifier.com, powering real-time AI orchestration for modern workflows.
Building AI products today means constantly evaluating new models.
One model might be better at reasoning,
Another might be faster. Another might reduce your inference cost by 50%. The problem? Testing multiple models usually means integrating multiple SDKs, APIs, and routing logic. With DNotifier, you can centralize your AI workflows and experiment with different models from a single orchestration layer. Run A/B tests across providers. Compare outputs side by side. Measure latency, cost, and quality. Route traffic dynamically based on performance. And switch models without rewriting your application architecture. Because AI models will continue to evolve, your workflows should be able to evolve with them. Build once, experiment continuously with DNotifier. A/B test AI model.